These are the top 10 secrets in space. Dark matter and dark energy make up about 95% of the universe, but we don't know what they are. Dark matter is thought to be invisible matter that clump together to form galaxies and clusters of galaxies. Dark energy is thought to be a repulsive force that is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. Scientists have been studying dark matter and dark energy for decades, but they still don't have a definitive answer about what they are. One theory is that dark matter is made up of weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs. WIMPs are thought to be very massive and very weakly interacting with other particles. Another theory is that dark matter is made up of axions. Axions are thought to be very light and very weakly interacting with other particles. Dark energy is even more mysterious than dark matter. Scientists don't know what dark energy is, or even if it is a real thing. One theory is that dark energy is a cosmological constant. A cosmological constant is a constant energy density that is evenly distributed throughout the universe. Another theory is that dark energy is made up of quintessence. Quintessence is a hypothetical field that is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. How did the universe begin? What caused the Big Bang? There are many theories about the origin of the universe, but none of them are universally accepted. One theory is that the universe began with a massive explosion about 13.8 billion years ago. Another theory is that the universe is cyclical and it has been expanding and contracting forever. The Big Bang theory is the most widely accepted theory of the origin of the universe. The Big Bang theory states that the universe began with a very hot, dense state about 13.8 billion years ago. The universe has been expanding and cooling ever since. The cyclical universe theory is a less popular theory, but it is gaining some support. The cyclical universe theory states that the universe has been expanding and contracting forever. The universe is currently expanding, but it will eventually reach a point where it starts to contract. The universe will then continue to contract until it reaches a very hot, dense state. Then, the universe will explode again, and the cycle will start over. Are we alone in the universe? There is no definitive answer to this question, but there is growing evidence that suggests that extraterrestrial life may exist. Scientists have found organic molecules in space, and there are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, many of which could potentially support life. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life. They have been found in comets, asteroids, and interstellar space. This suggests that organic molecules are common in the universe and that they may be the precursors to life. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and many of them are similar to our Sun. These stars could potentially have planets that support life. Scientists have found exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than the Sun, that are similar to Earth in size and temperature. This suggests that there could be billions of Earth-like planets in the galaxy, and that some of them may harbor life. Is it possible to travel back in time? This is a question that has been pondered by science fiction writers and physicists for centuries. There is no scientific evidence to suggest that time travel is possible, but some physicists believe that it may be theoretically possible. One theory of time travel is that it may be possible to travel through wormholes. Wormholes are hypothetical tunnels that connect different points in space-time. If wormholes exist, it may be possible to use them to travel back in time. Another theory of time travel is that it may be possible to create a time machine. A time machine is a hypothetical device that would allow people to travel back in time. If a time machine could be created, it would be possible to travel back in time and change the past. Will the universe expand forever? Will it collapse in on itself? Or will it reach a point of equilibrium? The fate of the universe is one of the biggest mysteries in science. Scientists are still trying to figure out what the future holds for our universe. There are 3 possible fates for the universe heat death. The universe will expand forever and eventually all of the stars will die. The universe will become a cold, dark place with no life. Big crunch. The universe will stop expanding and start contracting. The universe will eventually collapse in on itself and there will be a big crunch. Steady state. The universe will expand forever, but the expansion will be balanced by the creation of new matter. The universe will remain the same forever. Scientists don't know which of these fates is in store for the universe, It is possible that the universe will end in heat death, big crunch, or steady state. Only time will tell. The Fermi Paradox is a thought experiment that asks why we haven't found any evidence of extraterrestrial life, even though there are billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone. One possible explanation is that extraterrestrial life is rare. Another possibility is that extraterrestrial life is intelligent, but it has not yet developed the technology to travel to other stars. The Fermi Paradox is a very puzzling question. There are many possible answers, but no one knows for sure why we haven't found any evidence of extraterrestrial life. The Great Attractor is a mysterious region of space that is pulling galaxies towards it. The Great Attractor is so massive that it is bending the fabric of space-time. Scientists don't know what is causing the Great Attractor, but it is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. The Great Attractor is located in the direction of the constellation Centaurus. It is pulling galaxies towards it at a rate of about 600 kilometers per second. The Great Attractor is so massive that it is distorting the fabric of space-time. This distortion can be seen in the redshift of light from galaxies that are near the Great Attractor. Scientists don't know what is causing the Great Attractor. One possibility is that it is a supermassive black hole. Another possibility is that it is a cluster of galaxies. Only more research will tell what is causing the Great Attractor. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, are mysterious flashes of radio waves that come from deep space. FRBs are incredibly powerful, and they can last for just a few milliseconds. Scientists don't know what causes FRBs, but they are one of the most puzzling phenomena in astronomy. The first FRB was detected in 2007. Since then, hundreds of FRBs have been detected. FRBs are so powerful that they can be detected from billions of light years away. This suggests that FRBs are caused by very energetic events. Scientists have proposed many theories to explain FRBs. One theory is that FRBs are caused by neutron stars. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of stars that have exploded. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, and they can emit powerful bursts of radiation. Another theory is that FRBs are caused by black holes. Black holes are incredibly massive objects with strong gravitational fields. Black holes can emit powerful bursts of radiation when they accrete matter. Scientists are still trying to figure out what causes FRBs, these mysterious bursts of radio waves are one of the most puzzling phenomena in astronomy. Oumuamua is a cigar-shaped object that passed through our solar system in 2017. It is the first interstellar object ever detected in our solar system. Scientists don't know what it is, but it is possible that it is an alien spacecraft. It is about 100 meters long and 10 meters wide. It has a very high albedo, meaning that it reflects a lot of light. This suggests that it is made of a very smooth material. Its trajectory is very strange. It is traveling through our solar system at a very high speed, and it is not following the same path as the planets. This suggests that it is not from our solar system. Scientists are still trying to figure out what Oumuamua is. It is possible that it is an alien spacecraft, but it is also possible that it is a natural object. Only more research will tell what it really is. The Bullet Cluster is a pair of colliding galaxy clusters. The Bullet Cluster is a powerful laboratory for studying dark matter. Scientists have used the Bullet Cluster to measure the amount of dark matter in the universe. The Bullet Cluster is so named because it looks like two bullets that have collided. The two clusters are made up of billions of stars, but they are not colliding head-on. Instead, they are passing through each other. The Bullet Cluster is special because it allows scientists to study dark matter in a unique way. Dark matter does not emit light, so it is invisible. However, dark matter does interact with gravity. The Bullet Cluster allows scientists to see how dark matter is distributed in space by studying the way that it affects the motion of stars and gas. Scientists have used the Bullet Cluster to measure the amount of dark matter in the universe. They have found that dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe. This is a very important finding, and it helps to confirm the existence of dark matter. These are just 10 of the top secrets in space. There are many other mysteries that scientists are still trying to solve.